Hello and thank you for visiting our vehicle advert. I'm James here at Luscombe Suzuki and I'm going to be showing you around this brilliant example of the Swift Attitude. Now this is a limited edition Swift that was offered by Suzuki. That means that it has the carbon effect trim across the front, you can see there. The moulding across the doors. You also get diamond cut alloys and a rear spoiler. Now this vehicle was originally sold by ourselves. We know this vehicle very well as it's been back to us every year for its servicing. That means all service work has been carried out here at Luscombe's by our factory trained technicians. This also means that the vehicle qualifies for Suzuki's 7-year warranty. So it's 7 years from new, as long as you have the vehicle serviced at a Suzuki dealership. That means this vehicle actually has the potential for warranty until October 2027. That is a comprehensive warranty that gives you complete peace of mind. Really is a brilliant offer from Suzuki. Let's take a look inside. So unlike lots of smaller hatchbacks, you get 3 seats in the rear. Good leg room for rear passengers, plenty of handy storage points also. Now this Attitude was one of the limited numbers that came with the colour touchscreen. Most didn't. So here you have a 7-inch colour touchscreen. Now this gives you reversing camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as sat-nav through your mobile phone. You have air conditioning and integrated controls in the steering wheel there for calls and audio. So there we have it. This is a limited edition Swift. Not only that, but it's one of the only few that have the factory fitted touchscreen, giving you reversing camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And of course, like all our cars here at Luscombe's, it'll come fully prepped and serviced for its new owner. If you'd like more information or to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with myself, James, and I shall happily help. Thank you.